Yo, man, what are today's plans?
Today, we are letting the subscribers choose what color wheels I'm gonna have all winter long.
Ooh, are you nervous?
Not at all. It actually turned out to be the color that I was hoping to do the most. We did a poll on Instagram and YouTube, let the people choose the color. They suggested it, and then the YouTube folks did a poll and picked which one of the top 4 it was gonna be. So bronze is the colorway. Right now, Dave and I are going to drop some merch off at the post office. Then we're gonna go up to the auto parts store, see if we can locate some bronze or something close to it in Plasti Dip. Come back here, dip the wheels, call it a day, have a new winter setup.
Let's freaking do it, bro.
Yeah.
Nice. You. How many packages going out today?
Oh, we got 3 just from tonight. Got a couple orders as I started the Black Friday sale. Guys, I'll put a little ad that I created right now. Make sure you go head over to the website before the Black Friday sale ends. Cop the merch you know you wish you always had, but now can buy for a cheaper price.
You. I need you to get that door for me, bro. Yeah.
Come on in, buddy.
Oh, thanks, bro.
The water's fine.
Alright.
Buy some Plasti Dip, bro. Oh, I gotta lock my car.
Okay.
Oh, wait, hold up. Need the bullet.
Gonna help.
Alright, now let's go. We're now going to AutoZone because the other place didn't have what we were looking for. I'm hoping this place will have it. Otherwise, we can go back and get the 1 can of what they did have. I'll show you guys what that is. Anything good?
Looks like they have double cans, so we can work with 3.
So this is the stuff I was talking about, guys. It's blasted gold, but it's pretty close. It's pretty close to bronze. Success, guys. We got, what is this? Matte Black Rust-Oleum Peel Coat. Never used Rust-Oleum, only used Plasti Dip, but I'm pretty sure it's the same. And then we got these ones, which is blasted metal, and again, it's like that blasted gold color. So it'll be close, and I think with the black underlay, the gold will look a little bit more bronze on top. Dave and I are super hungry, so we're gonna go grab a bite to eat before we tackle this job. So I'll bring you guys along and get you some little eating B-roll and stuff. So I'll see you when we get there. Let's get
one more time. Dude.
That's good.
It's a triple egg supreme. Look at that.
Any OG subscribers, 2 things. 1, you'd recognize this hoodie when we released it almost this time last year. Head of the website caught that. 2, if any of you guys have been with the channel for a while, then you remember when we did these. This was the process of dipping the wheel faces black, doing the black and white center caps, and then by hand with a Sharpie pen, basically doing the tire lettering for the Michelin sign. That's how these came out. It's what I've been rocking with now for a 1.5 years, give or take. So today we're gonna change it up, do gold. It's gonna be sick. So the first step here is going to be removing the Plasti Dip that's already on these wheels. Last time I did this, I did probably about 4 coats of black, so it should be pretty thick. I've never peeled Plasti Dip before, so learning experience for both of us. Once we get the Plasti Dip all removed, then we can move on to cleaning them up and getting the new colors sprayed on there.
Step 2, Holmes.
Got the dip off, gonna hit it with some soap and water or all-purpose cleaner. Just give these a nice good rinse.
Oh yeah, get in there, scrub them good. All right, while Connor's wiping those off, we're gonna take this first coat right here, the black, matte black. We're gonna shake this up, get her nice and mixed so that it's ready to throw down in a minute.
One thing I love about these stock wheels is how nice they clean up. I mean, for stock 17s that came on the F30, these are not bad at all. And really the Plasti-Dip does a great job of protecting these things in the winter time. So, I mean, they look almost brand new.
This paint's glossy smooth.
Glossy?
Glossy smooth, man.
It is, dude. The Plasti-Dip does a great job. And when I did it last time, I did get it into the inner barrels on the wheels. So I'm not even gonna bother taking that off. We're just gonna keep coating on top of it. Same with like in here. We didn't really bother getting all the dip out just because you don't really see that. And if anything, more dip will help keep dirt and stuff off the wheels. So these are just about ready to get their first coat of black. Gonna pretty much use that entire can, and then we're gonna move on to the gold.
Yo, elevated media, man. Is that your phone?
Yeah.
Sick, dude. Yeah, let me see it. Hold it up. Thumbnail. Hold up a second. You're... Yeah, sure. You got some left? Alright, yeah, do it. What do you think we're in? How many coats do you think we're in on?
This is probably number 4.
Number 4? Alright, well, there you go, guys. It's looking good. The first wheel came out really good for some reason. I don't know if it's just the way we kicked it off. The rest of them are alright. This one's been struggling with this, getting a lot of runs, but I think it's going to be good once you throw the copper, gold, the bronze, whatever color you want to call it on there. 4 coats will pretty much cover it, so if you guys are trying to just do one coat, or one color, 4 coats, man.
I mean, if you're planning to dip your wheels with just one color, I mean, I'm still on my first can, so at most I would say buy 2 cans, but you could easily do some 17-inch wheels with 1 can.
Yeah, looks real good. Looks exactly what it looked like before we peeled it off.
Wheels are now black. Dave, you want to start her off on the gold or bronze? See how it comes out?
Alright. Oh, dude, I'm not loving this so far.
Whoa, it's so thick. Yeah, you gotta go wicked light on it. It's just cake.
Alright, yeah, but I think after like a couple coats.
I think this one has more of a texture to it, which is why it's real foamy like that. But yeah, you gotta go super light, I guess, on the first few coats.
I definitely see its potential now, though.
Yeah, just standing back, you can see how bronze that just made it all in one go. Ooh, guys, this is gonna look so good aired out on the F30. I cannot wait. 2 coats of the blasted gold, and they just look phenomenal in my opinion. I think if you stand back, they have such a nice kind of like brushed flat bronze to them, and don't mind the excess part on the tires, but I think it'll look really good once this is all done. And thank you guys so much for recommending this color, because low-key I wanted it. About 5 coats of bronze on this, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry probably overnight, and this video will start up again tomorrow, which is like 2 seconds for you guys, like 12 hours for me, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let the wheels dry overnight, and they came out so good. I'm actually just beyond stoked with it. Look at these beauties. Not bad at all for just an at-home DIY. So you can tell that I've already started peeling off the extra dip on the tires. It's basically what I have to do now, and then these things will be ready to go on the car. But dude, they look so cool. Never thought bronze would look this good. It's not quite 100% coverage. If you look real close, you can see like some black flake coming through. This gold or this bronze, whatever it technically was called, sprayed totally different than any other Plasti-Dip I've ever used. So it was a little different. I did use both cans of the gold or the bronze, so it should be 100% coverage. Unfortunately, it's not, so we're just gonna make the best of it. But I mean, either way, these are winter beaters, so they're gonna get covered in salt and all sorts of grime. I'm gonna go ahead and finish peeling off all this extra dip on the tires. Catch up with you guys in 1 second. All done. Look at that. Those look so damn good. I didn't get all of the gold off the tires, so like you can see it's still in the grooves and stuff. It's just such a pain. Next time I would definitely recommend doing the old card trick and basically putting cards or index cards or something around the rim so that way you don't get as much overspray. Like I said, winter beaters, it's fine, it'll work. So I'm gonna move these out of the way, get the F30 out of the garage, basically just start swapping wheels at this point, and should be good. Damn, bros. I'm definitely gonna miss the VMRs. It's always like not the best thing when I have to go throw the winters back on, but snow, ice, salt, don't want it on the VMRs. I'll save it for next summer, but let's just get one last look at them before we throw the winters on. Don't mind the ride height. Definitely gonna miss these guys. They're such sweet wheels. Definitely make the look of the car all aired out look so sharp. Time to go. Boys, winter wheels are officially on. How do you think they look? Make sure you leave a comment down below. I'm pretty stoked on them. I think the bronze just suits so well with this car. Honestly, the great thing about mineral gray is that it works with any of the like neutral colors. So like the metallic colors, bronze, gold, silver. It works with black, white. I mean, anything that's kind of just a earthy color or anything like that, I think it just looks really good on. So let me know, what do you guys think? Leave a comment in the comment section down below. Almost forgot, one thing we have to do is throw these center caps on. So these were the center caps that I had on before. They're the BMW ones, but I went ahead and just dipped them this color just to see how they look. If I didn't like it, I could take it off. I think it might actually look okay. Holy smokes. Almost. There we are. Leave the center caps gold or put them back to black. Plan right now is to go ahead and give this thing a wash before the sun goes down. It's starting to get dark pretty quick. Sun goes down at like 3:45, so I've got 30, not even, I've got like 15 minutes to clean this thing and then like 25 minutes to do an actual shoot. So I'm gonna go ahead and whip through this and then we'll skip to the cinematics. All clean. Now let's head to the photo shoot. Just finished everything up. I'm really psyched on how these wheels came out, so I can't thank the subscribers and everyone who follows my content enough for suggesting bronze, because I'm just really stoked to be rocking this all winter long. I can't wait till like the snow hits. We can get all the like the dark colored car with the bronze bright wheels and the white snow. It's gonna look so good. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, make sure you put a comment down below, leave some good vibes, let me know what you think. Don't forget to leave a big thumbs up, and as always, hit that subscribe button, head to the website, cop a hoodie, get some merch. Black Friday sale going on now. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, keep elevating, bye bye.